In the time card worksheet, add the header that uses the current date format, the left header field, and page number in the right header field. Add the sheet name to the left footer field. Okay, to do this, just go to the Insert tab, then in the text group, you select the drop down arrow and select header and footer. Okay, so now in the left header field, you just click into the left header field. So current date in the left header field, current date, so sorry, in the header and footer contextual tab, in the header and footer element group, you just select current date, okay. So, and page number in the right header field, so you click into the right header field and select page number. In the header and footer element group, you select page number, okay. So now add sheet name to the left footer field, sheet name to the left footer field. So just go to footer, just click here, the navigation group, click go to footer. Okay, so this is the footer. So you just add sheet name to the left footer field. So you click into the left footer field and select in the header and footer element group, you select sheet name. Okay, so that is done. Correct.